What's up guys, it's Jackson here from Nightmakers, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your videos from this to this. I'm going to be showing you how to create the Peter McKinnon / EDGAR WRIGHT fast cut sequence. So let's go. Done. They have finished importing. It takes a minute, and you go to the first clip that you want. So here's the clip. I'm just going to create in and out points in and out points for that clip, and then I'm just going to drag the video only to create a new sequence, and then I'm going to go to the second clip. That's it. I'm going to place in and out points that is there and around there. That seems okay. Then I'm going just to align it next to it. Let's go to the next clip. I'm going to look for an in and an out point. Remember, these things don't have to be so long, so you have to kind of scale them down so that they can fit your preferences. And here's the next. So here's one very important tip when you're placing this. Okay, this is not suitable to me, so I'm just going to select another clip that I shot. It's advisable to shoot more so that you can just switch when you need. So this is okay. I'm just going to select an in and an out point. So the first in and out point, the first point is going to be that, and it places that, and almost before the hand is leaving, I'm just going to place an out point, and then I'm going to drag this there. Then I'm going to look for the other clip, that is this one, when he places this around here, and I'm going to keep an in point and an out point when the hand is leaving, when the hand has left. Yeah, that seems right. Then I'm going to drag that there. If we zoom this down, you can see it's not such a, they are not so large clips, and that, so just before he places it there, and after he has placed it and his hand is moving away there, and you drag it here. Okay, let's go to the next one. Yeah, this is an important one. So in point and out point, and then you drag it there. Take this. Okay, let me choose another clip. Okay, now let's play that. So there's that first sequence. Yeah, I know what you will see. It's not yet very convenient, not yet super awesome the way one might want them to be, but you're going to make that better. Okay, so the trick that you're going to use next is a trick known as the speed ramp. That is where you increase the speed of a video clip by a certain amount, so as to make it, to make it more convenient. So I'm just gonna zoom in here, and what you want to do when you want to place a speed ramp is come here at the FX tab, click right click on it, and then time remapping, and set it to speed. So it comes this bar here. So in this bar is where you can control the speed of the clip. That's, you can ramp it up. You see the speed, it has become, it has, as you can see, it has been speeded up. So that's basically what you want to do. Okay, I'm going to reduce, I'm going to set some markers. Let me just repeat that. I'm going to place some markers so that as when the bag drops, it drops slightly, and then the speed increases towards the end. So I'm just going to place a marker here. Just place on the pen tool or P on your keyboard, and I've kept this little pen. So any area beyond here will be increased, but the first part will be left like that. So I'm just going to increase this just a little bit, not overkill, and yeah, something like that will do. If we zoom in here, you can see, so you can control these motion sliders to make it more smooth. You don't want it to be a harsh cut. So yeah, around there, that's it. Move this clip next to that, move this here, this other clip here, and this is the most important part. So you place that there, place that there, and then as I told you, pen tool, first of all you have to change this speed, time remapping. You change it to speed, then you look at where you want it to be speeded up. I want it to be speeded up around from here, so I'm just gonna place that little pen tool, and around here I'm going to place another pen tool so that I can increase the speed of this clip only. There, smoothen it out, smoothen it out, and we have something like that. Let's increase it a little bit. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, as you can see, the speed is increased. So we drag this other clip, time remapping speed, pen tool, place this here. This goes a lot smoother with keyboard shortcuts. I'm going to make a video on that, how to make your own keyboard shortcuts, and just to make your Adobe editing much smoother. So there it is. So as you can see, you have that motion. Drag this other audio near there, and see, it's almost perfect, but not yet. So we just have to continue doing this process. So I speeded up the video so that I could not bore you with extreme details. It takes a long time, to put these small cuts and that stuff. But basically, you get the idea. So speed ramp, fast cuts, and yeah, basically you end up with something like this. Again. Well, as you can see, it's fine. Now if I were to turn off the audio, let's say I mute both these tracks, you can hear it doesn't sound so good. So you want to add these sound effects that will make your video much better. But there's one strong thing. The video is good, but there's one particular thing that I like adding. So you could add like music, fast-paced music to go with your video, and it may make it more better. So yeah, let's try doing that. So I'm just going to repeat a track that I used in a previous video. I showed it to you in the beginning, and let's see how it sounds. Yeah, you see, fast-paced music just makes the video go better. So music is very important for your video. If I were to remove the track, you can hear the difference. Yeah, it's good but not so good. So that's what you want to do when you are editing such clips. So there we are, guys.
So as you can see, guys, as I told you, Peter McKinnon's EDGAR WRIGHT challenge, it's basically a way to tell a story in a very short way, and he gave a very good definitive guide. I'll link Peter McKinnon's channel in the description below. He's an amazing guy. I'm going to link also that specific video in the description below so that you can see, and you can see how amazing people work. Tip number one is you don't have to put a high frame rate like 24 or 120 frames per second. You can just shoot it at 24 frames per second and just create very fast cut, and you can be fine to go. Tip number two, you definitely want to get amazing sound effects for that video. Those are the Peter McKinnon still stresses on this, and I'm going to link everything that he has done. Those sound effects, they are the ones that make that video very interesting. So guys, I'm going to show you where to get music. That is Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is a very great online library full of music, and they have this cool feature called STEM. This video is not sponsored by them, but they have this cool feature called STEM, where you can, if you don't want the bass in a clip, let's say the bass, you can cut it out and use the other tones that you want. So it's a great place. Go and look at it, guys, and yeah. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it interesting. I hope it was that's it. You learned more about how to edit this EDGAR WRIGHT challenge. So I'm going to leave everything I've talked about in the description below, just as I said, and I'm gonna need you just to hit that subscribe button and that like button, and let's continue making these awesome videos. So peace. Oh, also one thing, I'm on the top of a very high building that's not very high but ideally high, in somewhere called Nairobi in Kenya. And yeah, it's a great place to shoot except for the wind. So sorry for the wind, guys. I'm going to get a wind filter that will make the audio nice, but yeah, that's it. So goodbye and thank you, peace.